Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing a zombie. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, let's start on the middle of the paper and we are going to do for the face a letter U. This letter U is wide and big. We stop right here and now from this corner I'm going to do a letter M. Just like this. That's for the part of the head that is open. Now I'm going to start doing triangle shapes that goes to the left and that's for the top part of the hair. Now let's do the same here on the bottom. Let's start doing triangles just like this and we stop where we start the letter M. The next thing is going to be the brains that are here on top of his head and I'm just doing curvy lines that go down. There. Okay, now let's continue with the neck. So the t-shirt that he's wearing is ripped. So for that I'm doing zigzag line here and then I'm going to do a little one and then going up in a diagonal line. So that's the neck. Here I'm going to do the eyes and I'm doing 2 circles and the circle on the right is going to be slightly down. Okay, so they're going to be kind of like in a diagonal line. Okay. So inside of the eyes, I'm also putting lines to make him look a little tired. Okay, you can put those lines in any direction on the top. And in the inside, we're gonna do the iris. And these ones can be also in different sizes. Okay, now let's put some eyebrows. Okay, these can also be horizontal lines. And here, I'm just gonna do a little, I'm gonna grow this a little bit. And now the smile. We're gonna do a cricket line, kind of like a curvy line. And then we're gonna start doing U shapes for the teeth. I'm going to do 4 of them. And that's it. Now we need ears. We're gonna do half a circles in each side of the head. And that's it for the top part. Now let's go to the arms. Let's do the shoulders. We're going to start with curvy lines that goes down in each side. And now I'm doing 2 curved lines in each side to close the sleeves. Let's put more ripping here, more zigzag lines in each corner. Let's put one here. And now we're going to just teeny tiny line up to close these sleeves. Now let's go down with 2 straight lines in each side of the shirt. And we are going to do a big zigzag line here to finish it. There. Now I'm going to continue with the pants. The pants go 2 lines down. And then here I'm going to do zigzag line and then go up. The same in the other side. Let's do here a zigzag line and then go up. And now to close this, I'm just going to do a curved line. There. Okay. Now I'm going to continue doing the arms. For the arms, I'm going to do 2 curved lines that go down, leave a space in the middle. Same in the other side. Curved line, leave a space, and curved line. Here, for the fingers, I'm doing 3 of them, and they are letter U's. And here, let's do 1 more for the thumb. Okay. Now on the other side, I'm going to start with the thumb. And then 3 U shapes together. There. Okay, now for the feet, these are easy. Just 2 lines and then we start with the U shape. 1, 2, and 3. And then we close it. Let's finish this zombie with the other feet. We're going to go down. And then we're going to put here 1 more line. And let's do the toes. So 1, 2, and 3. And close it. And that's it, we finished. And now my favorite part, let's color. Good job, little artist. This is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me this zombie. And if you did, please give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.